Ji. Assalamualaikum everyone, dear viewers who join us right now, or if you are watching this in a recording session, we'd like to say welcome again at HU Virtual Open Day. The objective of this counseling session is to provide guidelines to prospective students and their parents as it would ensure them that HU is the right choice to start their higher education journey. I am Paula Niaz from Office of Admission, and today we will discuss some tips and tricks to make things easier for you regarding about the admission process. So let's start. The first main and we can say a hot topic is how to choose the degree program. For that, you need 3 advisors who help you to make your decision easier. First advisor will be your own self. For that, you need to read everything about the program you applied for. For that, you can see or use search engines from internet. You can also use Hajuri University newsletter, our prospectus, program guides, and our talk shows, videos, which are easily and readily available on our website. Even not only on website, you can search it on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channels as well. All of these features would help you to make a right decision for your own self. Second advisor will be your own parents or guardians. Parents are always concerned about their children, and they definitely want to make sure that they would be making the best decisions of their lives. So discuss with them and have a healthy conversation so you are able to make a better decision of your lives. Third advisor, just like I already mentioned on my slide, that is admission counselor. Sometimes you get stuck in making decisions. Such confusion might be because of lack of information or not able to choose between the multiple programs. In such scenario, you need an admission counselor because he has an expert advice and he will betterly guide you. They will give you the best option. They will give you the silent features of the program, make coordination between you and with the department members. Because of that, you are able to select the best option for yourself. Now, if you are able to select the degree program which is right for you, now let's talk about how to apply at Hajuri University. So, this is also a very most important thing to describe. So there are 2 ways of applying: apply online and visit the campus. सबसे पहले we will discuss about the apply online process, and these are 4 steps to apply online. So first step is visit the website, make an account, and fill the application with your complete required details. You will get an immediate response from our website through SMS or through email as well. While putting information, please make sure that you provide valid information in online application, because because if you put something wrong, we are not able to connect with you directly. The website name and the link is already mentioned in the slide and also in the description. You can check it from there. Step 2. After filling the application online, you are able to see your admission form at your screen or your mobile screen or your laptop or any other device which you are using. You can download your application form, take prints and attach all your academic document with NIC and 4 passport size picture and send it to courier services at the university address. The university address is also mentioned in this slide. Step 3. When your application will be received at the admission office, our admission team will review your application and call you for the appointment of e-interview. Now here is again an important question, that what is that e-interview is. E-interview is especially designed for the professional and doctorate programs. In it, prospective student will interact with the department heads, and this conversation basically defines your eligibility criteria of your selected program. This session will be recorded and highly professional by our side. Step 4. If you are clear in all 3 steps, that means you are eligible to take admission at HU. Our admission counselor will set an e-meeting with you. In it, once again, you are able to get knowledge of your selected program, detail about the fee structures and scholarship opportunity. In short, at this stage, again, you can ask anything about regarding about the admission program or the admission process for your own satisfaction. And after that, with your confirmation, the university will send you the admission offer letter with the challan form, which will be sent through mails or through the courier service as well. Successful student will be required to submit their programs due before the last date mentioned on the challan form. Otherwise, because of the large amount of application, admission shall be transferred to the next successful student. So these are the 4 steps that how you are able to apply online. Now, another way, visit the campus. So because of the COVID-19, students and parents feel hesitate to visit the campus. So because of that, because of this pandemic situation, we make our online applying system more easier and more convenient. But making decisions is not easy without seeing. So if you would like to visit the campus, you have to do telephonic conversation for taking an appointment. With this, you will be able to know the official timing, official meeting timing. And here I specially mentioned that you must follow all the SOPs of COVID-19 announced by the government of Pakistan while visiting the campus, and it is mandatory to follow. So because of this, when you visit the campus, you are able to get the prospectus, admission counselor will guide you, and the process are all same. You have to visit the documents, you have a, again, e-meeting or e-conversation with the department, and then if you are eligible for the admission, the other process will be done by our side and your side as well. So here is also a main important thing. Many students from out of the Lahore want to apply in Hajviri University as well. So they also asked me that the students who belong to another other area, like from the other provinces of Pakistan, like Sindh, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Gilgit-Baltistan, are they able to apply at Hajviri University? At Hajviri University Lahore campus, admission are open for all the bachelor's and master's program for the all students from all over the Pakistan. Students from Multan, Mandi Bahauddin, Gujranwala, Rawalpindi, Faisalabad, Nowshera, Nawab Shah, Jhang, Sakhar, Faisalabad, Shekhupura. Sorry if I missed any name of the city. I already said from all the provinces of Pakistan. You all are welcome at Hajviri University, and we are looking forward to see you in campus. All students from all over the Pakistan, even like overseas students from the Middle East, just visit the website and apply online. We will coordinate with you, or inshallah, through SMS, through mails, and we will guide you, and we will try best to guide you, and we'll provide any facility, we'll provide any information which you want or which you are seeking from us. So the other things which many people are asking these days, what are the required documents for applying? Students who want to apply in undergraduate and graduate and postgraduate program all must have complete access of their own particular. For example, if you want to apply in undergraduate program, you must have metric and intermediate result. At this point, would like to mention that because of COVID-19, students who are announced to be promoted can also apply on the basis of their first year result 2019. They can be take provisional admission, and when they will receive their intermediate result from board, they can submit us their final result later. But before that, they all are eligible to apply in bachelor's program. Same formality is with the graduate and master program admission as well. If they are promoted, they can also apply on the basis of their last year result or with the DMC. So if you want to ask anything, please write to us in the comment section. Our mobile numbers for SMS and WhatsApp and emails are mentioned. Do coordinate with us, and inshallah we will respond all the queries which you are asked from us. Stay home, stay safe, and stay connected with us. While this conversation, I received and I'm watching some question in the comment section which is regarding the admission session. Someone is asking about the hostel facility of Hajviri University. So I would like to tell, yes, we have separate hostels for boys and girls, and charges are very economical, and it's just on a walking distance from university. We also provided mess and laundry facilities there with Wi-Fi and UPS and generator facility as well. So you are easily available private hostel in the scenario of university as well. The second question which someone write in the comment section is there any other way rather than applying online? So I already mentioned there are two ways, apply online or visit the campus. But it happens that sometimes people are not able to apply online because of some kind of technical error, or you can say they don't have the printing facility in their area. Maybe they belong to some kind of rural areas or some kind of this. So don't worry for that. You are also able to apply. For that, we provided our doorstep prospectus, like you can say, privilege to them to just coordinate with us on our WhatsApp or mobile number, and inshallah you will get our prospectus or admission form, and you have to send it back to us with attaching all the documents, and you are able to apply at Hadjiri University as well. There is no need to apply online or visit the campus. You can coordinate us through WhatsApp and through SMS. Can I pay dues in installment? Yes, you can pay your dues in installment. For that, you have to consult with our admission counselor. Yes, they can pay their dues in partially. So you have to discuss with them, and he will or she will guide you whole process, how to pay your lump sum amount in installment or in 3 months installment. And another question, which is the most favorite for everyone, what is the process for applying scholarship? So basically, people are very crucial these days that some kind of scholarship. If we have already, Mr. Faz Sheikh announced that we offering a Sahulat program, or Sahulat program mean we are giving so many facilities, paying the dues in installment with internet and laptop facilities and tabs for the merit-based student. Uske alawa, we have merit-based scholarships, we have alumni discount, kingship scholarships, and need-based scholarships, women's scholarships, especially for those women who are working women. So we have lots of scholarships, and if you want to apply for them, when you are sending your admission form to us, you have to attach a scholarship application. हमारा एडमिशन काउंसलर जो है उसको स्टडी करेगा एंड ही विल फाउंड कि आपके लिए कौन सी स्कॉलरशिप बेस्ट हो सकती है या किस स्कॉलरशिप के लिए यू आर एलिजिबल. तो दिस इज अ सिंपल प्रोसेस. और इंशाल्लाह इन द कोविड-19 2020 में वी हैव सो मेनी स्कॉलरशिप एंड सो आवर पैकेजेस आर ऑलरेडी वेरी इकोनॉमिकल, so we are investing in this inshallah. And second question again, student asking me again and again कि I don't have my mark sheet. So it's an answer I already answered, that you can apply on the basis of your part 1 result. Part 1 का रिजल्ट जो आपको 2019 में मिला था, आप उसकी बेस पे बैचलर्स प्रोग्राम में एडमिशन ले सकते हैं. प्रोविजनल एडमिशन कंसीडर होगा. जैसे आपको अपने बोर्ड की तरफ से रिजल्ट मिलेगा, आप हमें अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स के साथ वो जमा करवा सकते हैं. This formula is also related with the student who want to apply in a master's program. अगर उनके पास भी इस ईयर का जो पार्ट 2 का अगर उन्होंने कोई सेमेस्टर का देना था, तो अपने प्रीवियस रिजल्ट बेसिस पे वो अप्लाई करें, डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करवाएं, अपना होप सर्टिफिकेट विद एफिडेविट, और इंशाल्लाह ताला उनकी भी जो एप्लीकेशन है वो प्रोसेस एडमिशन के लिए बिल्कुल हो सकती है. इसके अलावा इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन यू कैन आस्क बाहर. दीज आर दोस क्वेश्चन व्हिच पीपल आर आस्किंग. द स्टूडेंट आर आल्सो आस्किंग अबाउट द फी स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम, सो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मी टू टेल द फीस राइट नाउ. तो इंशाल्लाह वी विल हेल्ड एनी अदर सेशन, और स्पेशली ई मीटिंग्स जो हमने कंडक्ट करनी है आपको उसमें सारा फी स्ट्रक्चर एक्सप्लेन कर दिया जाएगा. लेकिन अब के लिए मैं आपसे ये प्लीज़ एडवाइस करूँगी, बल्कि रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी कि आप वेबसाइट पे जाएं, वहाँ पे हमारे सारे प्रोग्राम्स की फी स्ट्रक्चर मेंशन है, काइंडली उसको पढ़ें. हमारे व्हाट्सएप नंबर्स हैं, आप व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे SMS करके सारी डिटेल भी ले सकती हैं.